Stitch number 04 on the Singer Featherweight C240 sewing machine is the blind hem stitch. Now this actually comes with a blind hem foot. So let's pick the stitch first, 04. And if you're unsure which foot to reach for, touch the I, the little I, and it says foot 3. So we are actually using this foot just recently for some overcasting stitches because we use that foot for this too. So if you need to overlock or overcast the edge of fabric, this one we even used it to overcast and seam that little cute edge here. So we'll link up to these videos. If you touch that little I in that top corner, you'll get over to the overcast stitching and the overcast and hem video as well. So why is this foot so versatile? The reason for is because foot number 3 has this adjustable blade or marker. So when we do the overcasting, we set it up to be even with that little pin that's in there. Now for blind hems, we're going to adjust it for the thickness of fabric. Plus, just a note, it does have this opening in the back side, so make sure that you do have the Singer integrated even feed system pulled down and in place. So otherwise, you won't get really good feeding at all, honestly. So make sure it's on for that particular foot. Next, the key is how you fold a blind hem. So start off with the pressed in finished hem of your item. Then you're going to fold it back, and what we're looking for is the stitch, and you see by the picture it jumps over to the left. We're going to make sure that the bite into this fold is just a little tiny catch, and we can adjust the foot for that exact weight of fold. So a thinner fabric, that's going to be a lot not as fluffy of a fold to catch, so you might have to adjust it a little bit differently than a thicker fabric. So here's how I'm going to do it. You notice the needle starts on the right side, which does me absolutely no good. So you can either tap your toe and take a half a stitch, and then the needle jumps over to the left. Now before I get everything going, lower the needle down just a little bit and position the fabric. You might need to lift the foot up, move the fabric left or right until that needle will come down just a little bit into the fold, not a lot. If you've never done this before, you'll test it and get it just right. Then you can lift the foot up and adjust the little red marker to come snuggle right up against the fold of this fabric. Once the two have been set up, then just go ahead and stitch. The fold should be guided perfectly for nice even stitches all the way down. So go ahead and finish the blind hem. So what we're looking for is consistency. So this is your stitch. And when we come over here, we're going to see the stitches. That's usually what you see. Well, you don't see it because you usually match your thread. Obviously, I wanted you to see this so you can see how easy it is. You will see if these stitches are a little big for you, you just want to come back and adjust that needle to not catch as much of the fold. And that's easily adjusted. Remember, we'll just move the marker just a little bit back this way, and then you'll have less bite. But isn't that so much faster than doing it by hand?